Today we are in the kitchen getting ready to make chocolate ice cream. Yes! In a few seconds here, I'm gonna circle around, grab the camera, and show you guys all the ingredients that are gonna go into this easy to make, keto-friendly, dairy-free ice cream. Let's go! Okay, as you can see, we've got the coconut milk, the cocoa powder, stevia, 0 calories, 0 carbs. The coconut whipping cream is optional because it does have carbs in it. And my favorite heavy whipping cream, 0 carbs. In a few minutes here, we're gonna go ahead and grab the bowl out of the freezer that's gonna go into this ice cream making machine. I've already mixed the ingredients, so all we gotta do is dump them in there and wait 10 or 15 minutes and it'll be ice cream time. Let's go. All right. As you can see, I have just grabbed the freezer bowl that was in the freezer. It's got to be in there roughly 24 hours. There's some liquid in there. Can't hear anything sloshing around, right? It has to be frozen. So once it's frozen, you can start to make ice cream. So let's go ahead and put this bowl in its place. And then we grab these couple other pieces, put them over the top. Now, all I gotta do is grab the pre-mixed ice cream mix out of the refrigerator, and voila, we are gonna be making ice cream. Here we go. Okay, I'm back with the mix. I'm gonna give it a quick little stir here because it's been sitting in there. One thing you wanna do is mix everything ahead of time, and best bet is to put it in the refrigerator and let it get really cold overnight. Now, the one main thing that you need to do with this ice cream making machine, which I found out the hard way, is you gotta turn it on. The first time I made ice cream, it didn't go so well. I didn't read the instructions, didn't turn it on. I poured my mix in there and it froze to the bowl. It was a total fail. So here we go. Machine's on. Mix is going in. Can't wait. Just like making cake, you gotta lick the spatula. And I tell you what, ooh, this is gonna be good. All right, we're gonna let that run probably for about 10 to 15 minutes. And within that time span, we're gonna have ice cream. See you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. I just turned the machine off 5 seconds ago. I'm gonna take the cover and this little plastic thing off. And there you have it. Ready to eat, soft serve ice cream.